Hey everyone, Papalich here. How's it going? This is just a quick video just to tell you about my Linux setup for Ashes of Creation. So just a couple of disclaimers. On the first day of early access, I did get Ashes working on Zorin OS, but after an update and some troubleshooting, the game is basically unplayable from Zorin for me personally. So for now, I'm using Fedora with Gnome DE, aka the desktop environment, and using Proton-Qt version 26. I've also tried this with the Shadow PC, which is a PC on the cloud, as Ashes isn't available on GeForce Now at the moment, and it's because my hardware needs an upgrade. So yeah. Zorin OS uses ext4 file system as it's Debian based, and Fedora uses BTRFS or Btrfs. In my original setup, I had files sitting on a hard drive, which was NTFS file system, as it used to be a Windows hard drive, but that doesn't really mix well with either distro for this setup that I have. So I just did some research on the internet, and yeah. So after doing some research on the internet, I ended up installing my game files on an extra SSD with the ext4 file system. And here are my settings. So if I just open up Terminal, launch Steam. By the way, you only have to launch Terminal if you're trying to figure out what's going wrong. If your game won't launch, then this is how it can help you find out what's going on with the game. So in my game setup, go to settings, storage. You probably already know this, but you know, I'm showing you anyway. Add a drive, and then you just find the drive on your machine where your installation files are. And these are the settings I have for the game to launch. I'll put this in the description though. And compatibility is Proton-Qt version 26, as mentioned earlier. So we press play on that. And if the game crashes or something goes wrong, Terminal in this instance will tell you what's going wrong, and I'll show you how to use it. Yeah! Look at that! Yeah! My FPS count will be very low, but that's because my hardware needs an upgrade. Also, check this out. Wow. I know it's not optimized yet, so there is time for optimization, but I need an upgrade either way, regardless. Right. Let's exit the game. So. Right click, copy that. Could use any AI, doesn't really matter. search for that, and then it will tell you what's happening with the game. It's pretty cool. It's really helpful, mainly when the the game doesn't launch. So yeah, I just thought I'd show you that. And then my NVIDIA driver version 580. Thanks for watching. Take care.